guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a firework explosion. So you need to make a block, one block. You must turn. You probably must. You probably must turn on. You must turn on the grid and even click on this. And what you gotta do is just like I don't know. Okay. No. Oh yeah. Just boop boop. Okay, yeah. Like what we do is clone it even more and clone a single block, and we 10 of them. 20 of them, 30 of them. Wait, that's 4. Okay, so there's too many, but I know let me shut down. We just need to on this little guy. 80, 90, and let me check. 100. Okay, yeah. Wait. That's 10, and I think it's like square enough. Okay. 100 boxes. Wait. It does look a little bit. Let me check if it's squarey. It doesn't look square, but it's okay. Okay, now. We know we can do better than that. We know. Just make one out. Okay. Which we do. We randomize the colors. Yeah, like this. And then, like, we don't group them. We just give them treasures. But what we need to do, probably gotta like two things. Yeah, guys. We don't. So we made the trailers like this. Yeah. Wait, like, so I think it must be like this. So the like, and and we randomize the colors, yeah, this, like, and randomize the colors, we put it on just here. Oh, whoa. We got, and we clone it, like, you know. And here, we made your fireworks. It probably should be night. I'm sure it should be night. It's like, whoa. It probably should be night, okay? And now I made it to it. And now, boom. You can do so many if you want to do. And I might crash the game. Boom! Fireworks! Yeah! Fireworks!
خاف جده يربح.
What?
لا تجي الله يحفظه.
Wow. And now. And it's like a supernova. You know when a star literally runs out of fuel and explodes like this? But it's probably firework. We don't have to worry about it. You can do it any 100 if you want to. Okay. See, boys? Got this. But I don't without the eye. It's probably how I make. I probably choose 16 blocks. Well, look, it's so cool. You can probably see this on the night sky. If this is real. Wow, people will say, wow. If this was real. I know. Like, is number 31?
والله العظيم طالع كريم لازم تاخذها انا عقلت انت لازم تاخذها هي
I love the firework explosion. Like, it's so satisfying. It's like fireworks, you know,